Makiria athaki magana meeri Mbitika cia golf kuhuumba riri Mbitika cia Ncba golf mwena wa Royal Nairobi Golf Club na thutha wa ikereka ria kanana gukorwo igithakirwo mwena wa Uganda Golf Club mwena wa Kampala wikendi hituku magana meeri kunyita itemi thiini wa mbitika ici. Munene wa fegi ya Ncba niwe John Gashora augite mena gikeno kuona mbitika ici ni icokete bururi-ini na ningi ni monete taranda nyingi ciiyumiritie thiini wa mbitika ici iria irathie na mbere.
Who participated in today's golf event, as well as those who won, and of course those who lost. The action on the golf course today was quite competitive, and we are glad to see the golfing standards go a notch higher leg of this series. Proud to partner with a group of so dedicated in excellence in their lives and in their businesses. A hand clap for that. We value our customers, and thus this golf series gives us an opportunity to showcase our commitment to providing them with solutions that will help them achieve their goals.
Tugithie na mbere ni ati uria wari muthaki